Hello, good morning students. Last video we have already discussed about the valid moods of this third figure. Today we will discuss the valid moods of the third figure. Out of these possible 8 moods, that is A, E, A, O, E, I, and O, A. These are the 8 possible modes. Out of these 8 possible modes, we have to test how many are valid in the third figure. The position of middle term in the third figure is MP, MS, SP. This is the position of middle term in the third figure. We have to now test whether from A the conclusion will be derived or not. We will test one by one. First of from A is the major premise, A is the minor premise. All M is P, all M is S. Therefore, what about the conclusion? The major premise is universal affirmative, minor premise is also universal affirmative. When both are affirmative, the conclusion must be affirmative. When both the premises are universal, the conclusion must be universal. We should take the universal conclusion first. Universal affirmative means A conclusion. A proposition is the conclusion. All S is P. Now we have to see the distribution terms. A proposition distribute subject term. A distribute subject. A distribute subject. Here middle term is distributed in both the premises, though there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. Then in the conclusion, the minor term is distributed, but it has not been distributed in the minor premise. So it leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. Illicit minor. Here, because the conclusion minor term is distributed, which is not distributed in the minor premise. So it leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. In order to avoid the illicit minor fallacy, if we make it instead of universal affirmative, if we make it particular affirmative, so there will be no fallacy of illicit minor. Instead of universal, if we make it to particular affirmative means I proposition. This will be some S is P. I proposition does not distribute any term, neither the subject nor predicate. So here there will be no fallacy of illicit minor. So this is a valid mode in the first figure, that is Darapti. Darapti. It is a valid mode in the first figure. This name is Darapti. A Darapti. A. From A conclusion comes I. Then AE. All M is P, no M is S. It is universal affirmative, this is universal negative. When both one premise is affirmative, one is negative, the conclusion must be negative. Both are universal, so conclusion must be universal. First we make it universal. If there will be fallacy, then we make it particular. First of all, we have to make it universal negative. That means E proposition. No S is P. A proposition distributes subject term, E distributes both subject predicate, E distributes both subject predicate. Here middle term is distributed in both the premises, so there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. Then in the conclusion, both major term and minor term, both terms are distributed. Major term is distributed conclusion, but it has not been distributed in the major term, so it leads to the fallacy of illicit major. But minor term is distributed in the conclusion, it has been distributed in the minor premise. So there is no fallacy of illicit minor, but there is a fallacy of illicit major. So if we make it particular negative, it becomes O proposition. O proposition also distributes predicate term. The same fallacy will also arise. So it will not be a valid syllogism in the third figure. From AE it is not valid. From AE no conclusion can be drawn. It is not valid, it is not possible in case of third figure. From AE there is no conclusion. Then AI. All M is P, some M is S. Then it is universal affirmative, it is particular affirmative. When one premise is both are affirmative, so conclusion must be affirmative. When one is universal and another is particular, when one premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. The conclusion will be particular. Affirmative means I proposition. Sum S is P. A proposition distribute subject term, I distribute neither subject nor predicate. Here the middle term is distributed once in the premise. The in conclusion no term is distributed, neither the major term nor the minor term. So there is no fallacy. It is a valid mood. Its name is da TC. Its name is da TC. Da TC. AI. AI conclusion. From AI the conclusion I comes. It is a valid mood. Then AO. Then AO. All M is P, sum M is not S. This is universal affirmative major premise, minor premise is particular negative. When one premise is affirmative, other is negative, so conclusion must be negative. When one premise is universal, other is particular, so the conclusion must be particular. The conclusion will be particular negative means O proposition. Sum S is not P. A proposition distributes subject term, O distributes predicate term, O distributes predicate. Here, middle term is distributed once in the premise, there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, major term is distributed, but it is not distributed in the major premise. It leads to the fallacy of illicit major. This is a fallacy of illicit. From AO, no conclusion can be drawn. If we derive the conclusion O, this leads to the fallacy of illicit major. This is not varied in the third figure. Then EA. No M is P, all M is S. Then what about the conclusion? Major is universal negative, minor is universal affirmative. One premise is negative, other is affirmative. So one premise must be negative means conclusion must be negative. Both are universal, so conclusion must be universal negative means E proposition. No S is P. E proposition distribute both subject predicate. A subject, E distribute both subject predicate. Here E proposition distribute both subject predicate. A subject, E distribute both subject and predicate. Middle term is distributed in both the premises. There is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, major term is distributed. That has been also distributed in the major premise. There is no fallacy of illicit major. In the minor term is distributed conclusion, but it has not been distributed in the minor premise. It leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. Here it is a fallacy because minor term is distributed conclusion, but it has not been distributed in the minor premise. Leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. In order to avoid this illicit minor, if we make it instead of universal negative, if we make it particular negative, particular conclusion must be particular negative means O proposition. Then what will be the conclusion? Sum S is not P. O proposition is to predicate term. There is the fallacy of there is no fallacy of illicit minor because minor term is not O proposition is to predicate. Major term is distributed in the conclusion, not the minor term. So it illicit minor will be avoided because we make it O proposition as the conclusion. From EA, the O conclusion comes. It is a valid mode. Its name is Ferison. Ferison. EIO. Ferison. Phelapton. Not Ferison. Phelapton. It is Phelapton. Phelapton. EAO. Phelapton, not Ferison. It is Phelapton. FELAPTON. Phelapton. EAO. EAO. Phelapton. This is Phelapton. From EAO conclusion comes. Then EI. I. No, M is P, some, M is S. It is universal negative, it is particular affirmative. One premise is negative, other is conclusion must be negative. One premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. Particular negative means O proposition. Some S is not P. E proposition distribute both subject predicate. I distribute neither subject nor predicate. O proposition distribute predicate. Here the middle term is distributed once in the major premise, so there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, major term is distributed. The major term is distributed also in the major premise because E proposition distribute both subject and predicate. P is the major term in the predicate place, so it is distributed. There is no fallacy of illicit measure. It is a valid mode. Its name is Ferison. 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 EIO. Its name is Ferison. Then IA. From IA, some M is P, all M is S. It is particular affirmative, it is universal affirmative. Both are affirmative means conclusion must be affirmative. One is particular, conclusion must be particular. Affirmative means I proposition. Some S is P. I proposition is neither subject nor predicate. A proposition subject, I neither subject nor predicate. Here the middle term is distributed. A proposition is subject term, middle term is distributed in minor premise. So there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. The conclusion no term is distributed, so it is a valid mode. From I conclusion comes. This is a valid mode. Its name is DISAMIS. DISAMIS. IAI. DISAMIS. DISAMIS is a valid mode in the third figure. From IA, the I comes. Then OA. Then OA. Some M is not P. All M is S. Major premise is particular negative, minor is universal affirmative. One premise is negative, conclusion must be negative. One premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. Particular negative means O proposition. Some S is not P. O proposition distribute predicate term, A distribute subject, O distribute predicate. Here middle term is distributed once in the premise, in the minor premise. We say there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, major term is distributed. The same major term has also been distributed in the major premise because O proposition distribute the predicate term, major term in the predicate place. So there is no fallacy of illicit measure. From OA, the conclusion O comes. This is called a valid mode. This is name is Boccardo. BOCARDO. OAO. Boccardo. From AOA, the O conclusion comes. We have tested all these 8 possible modes. Out of these 8 possible modes, we have constructed 6 valid modes. Out of these 8, we got 6 valid modes. Daracti, Dattisi, Phelapton, Ferison, DISAMIS and Boccardo. These are the 6 valid modes in the third figure. In the third figure, we got 6 valid modes. Thank you. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about the valid modes of the fourth figure. Thank you. Okay.